Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about circles and the first exercise in circle. In this exercise there are only two questions, one fill in the blanks and the second is true and false. And these are all of 1 mark questions. So the first question is in fill in the blanks. The center of a circle lies in dash of the circle. Is it interior or exterior? The center always lie inside the circle, so it is interior of the circle. A point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies dash of the circle, interior or exterior. If it is greater than the circle, if the point lies and the distance is greater than its radius, then it always lies outside the circle, so it is exterior. The longest chord of a circle is a dash of the circle. The longest chord is always the diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. An arc is a dash when its ends are the ends of the diameter. An arc is a semicircle whenever its ends are the ends that coincides with the diameter. The segment of a circle is the region between an arc and dash of the circle. The segment always formed by arc and the chord. So the answer is the chord of the circle. A circle divides the plane on which it lies in dash parts. Yesterday we have discussed this. The circle, if it lies on a plane, it divides the plane in 3 parts: interior of a circle, exterior of the circle, and the circle itself. So there are only 3 parts. Now in question number 2 we have true and false. In true and false, see, we have the line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is the radius of the circle. So it is true. The fixed point, that is the center, and any point on the circumference, that line segment is always the radius. So it is a true. A circle has only finite number of equal chords. It is false. There can be infinite number of equal chords because chords can be drawn infinitely many, and same chord that is equal in length can also be drawn more than one time or more than countable numbers. So it is a false statement. If a circle is divided into three equal arcs, each is a major arc. It is also false. If a circle is divided into 3 equal arcs, not 2, if it is 3 equal arcs, then it cannot be major, because when a circle is divided into 3 different parts, it cannot be one big and other small. They are all equal, so either they will be minor arc or equal arcs. So here the statement says it is a major arc, so it will be false. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is the diameter of the circle. So it is a true statement. Diameter of a circle is the chord of the circle, as well as it is twice the radius. So only diameter is twice the radius, and also it is a chord. So it is a true statement. A sector is a region between the chord and its corresponding segment. So it is a false statement. Sector is not the region. When an corresponding arc and chord is involved, then it is a segment. Whereas sector is corresponding arc and 2 radii joining the center. Then only we can say it is a sector. Or else, if chord or corresponding arc is present in the statement, like here, it will be segment. A circle is a plane figure. So it is also a true statement. A circle is a plane figure, like square, rectangle, rhombus. These all are plane figures. Circle is also a plane figure. So today we have discussed the 2 questions, 2 important for 1 mark questions of the chapter circle. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you.